So I'm going to quickly go over the slab tool. It's in the building shell tool menus. There's underneath the walls, there's a slab tool. There's also a slab drainage tool. We'll just be working with the slab tool right now. So you're going to need to use the slab tool if you are either creating a flat roof, and which, like if you're using a shipping container, you're going to be using a flat roof, or you're going to need it to create your floor assembly. So no matter, everybody's going to have some sort of floor assembly. You're going to want to also consider what that floor assembly is made out of. So for instance, if I go into my slab tool, I can see that just like my wall tool, there's preset floor assemblies. You are going to, if there isn't one that matches what you're going to use, then you're going to want to edit or recreate a slab. So for instance, if you are just doing a wood assembly, we haven't gone through span tables, but depending on your spans, you're not necessarily going to need to do 2x12s. There's also our roof slopes and our floors. So make sure, and if you have a shipping container, for instance, you're going to have an existing component for your slab, and you're going to also possibly have a new construction component for your slab, right? So make sure the assembly you choose matches what is actually going to be in part of your design. Okay, so there's 3 ways of creating a slab. I like using the wall picker mode. I'm going to just draw some walls to keep it simple for now. So here are my walls. I'm going to go back into my slab. I've chosen or specified which slab assembly I want to use, and then I go in, choose the pick wall mode. I just go around and I specify all 4 walls, and then once I've done that, I hit the check mark and it automatically creates that slab. Now this slab, for instance, is on the ground, and I can see if I go into front view, it is a bit down from the walls. So I can either click and drag it up, just like I would any other object. I can see that when I did that, my Z offset changes, right? Our Z value is our height, or our 3rd axis that we're working on. I can change it like all my other styled objects. I can replace my style, or edit my style. But as a wood assembly, this is what we want. And say, for instance, I needed something on my roof as well. I could even click Option drag this up, and that. Now these offsets, it automatically went, oh wait a minute, it's at a different height. So I can change my edge offsets. And I can specify the values there too. So so that's going to be for a flat, no slope, either roof or floor assembly. So I can also go into top plan view. I chose the wall picker mode. I can also choose, and now there's going to be, remember our slab, there's going to be our orientation on the page as front and back, like our 2D objects. So right now I've created this slab, and it's my